If your Vax Blade is telling you that there's a suction obstruction, yet you've looked everywhere and you can't find anything, I'm here to end your frustration. I see this all the time with my customers, and there's a really simple answer. So you've looked in the entry to the floor tool and that's all clear. You've looked down your metal wand, that's all clear. You've even took the bin off and checked in the entry to that and the entry to the vacuum cleaner, and guess what? There's nothing to be found. So we do a little test. We try the vacuum cleaner with no wand and no floor tool on it. Start it up and the same message comes up, pointing to the floor tool that's not even on the vacuum cleaner. At this point you think you're going mad, but the answer is the filter. Now this sits inside the bin lid, and if it's never been washed, it's basically created a barrier between the motor and the floor tool. So the motor cannot suck and it's set off this thing telling you that there's a blockage. But why did it not tell you to clean the filter? After all, this model does have that feature, but it doesn't actively monitor the filter. It's there to display the message to clean your filter just every so often to remind you. But the thing that is monitored is the airflow, and that's why our block filter set off the obstruction warning. If you're not sure how to access or clean your filter, I have a video right here for you to follow. Go away, do that, make sure your filter's fully dry before you put it back in your vacuum cleaner, and not only will this warning disappear, but your suction will be back up to new as well.